पडले नवभारत सरकार शारदा कॉलेज म्हणून नडुंटुंडो जेड्डे हॉटस्पॉट सो निके एक टर्किश मिलिटरी स्पेशल फूड ट्रೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಿನ ಮೂಲ ಬಲೆ ಮಾರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಚಿ ನವಭಾರತ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಶಾರದಾ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಡುಕುನ ಕಬಾಬ್ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೆ ದನಿಕಿ ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಕಿ ದಾಖಲು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Good evening guys. Today we are opening our restaurant Kebabchi in Mangalore. We are located in just next to Ocean Pearl in the Sharda Vidyalaya Road. We serve a lot of kebabs. We serve on charcoal shawarmas. We serve on tawa. We have keema pav. We have muna pav. We have kebabs and veg. We have a lot of varieties coming up soon. We'll get whatever you ask for in this cuisine. We have a lot of people coming in. Please do visit us. We are Kebabchi. Let's Kebabchi.